Welcome to the Clinical Notes AI extension. The extension lives at the top of your browser. Now, if you don't see the Clinical Notes AI logo, you simply need to choose the pin option to have it stay up here permanently. The other thing you'll notice is the Clinical Notes AI extension will put a little tab here. You can move this tab to the left, you can move it to the right, you can move it down, and you can move it across and up as well, okay? Once you click on the tab, it's actually going to open up inside of your actual browser. And as you browse the internet, it will follow around. If you do not want this tab on your screen, you can simply click the little I button here and it will remove itself. Okay, so you'll see a couple of controls in here. First of all, this is the home page where you can start a live session or talk to the AI from here. Or if you've already captured a session, you can import a session directly from here to push directly into your EHR without having to copy paste. The other tools available are going to be the import here at the top with this button, where you can choose between previous sessions that you've captured or previous documents that you've created within the platform. You also have some settings in here to change the position and get into the web application to modify the prompts on your templates for the fields that we write into. We'll do another video on that to demonstrate. You also have the help button here where you can get to our help page by clicking on this here. We'll show our tutorial videos. And then in addition, you have your billing and management section here where you can change your subscription, upgrade your membership, add additional users, etc. And then you also have your profile settings where you can change your profession and choose your data settings and things like that. So I'm going to walk you through actually pushing a note into SimplePractice today. If you capture your session, when you click on this, it's instantly going to start listening to you. It's not actually capturing anything yet until you choose the capture button. Make sure that you select the correct microphone before you start capturing. In addition, you also have the dictation option where you can just talk to the AI to summarize your previous session within the platform. For telehealth, you'll choose this option. When you choose telehealth and you click the start capture button after the client consents, it's going to pop up a window that looks like this. In here, you need to choose the tab or the screen where the telehealth session is happening, okay? You also need to make sure that system audio is turned on to share with the application. With the Chrome tab, it's on by default, but in the entire screen sharing one, it is off by default. So make sure to turn that on before you start capturing, okay? Now, with this particular demo, I'm going to show how to push directly into, for example, SimplePractice. So I'm going to select the session that I did earlier that was an hour. Once I select it, it's going to tell me to open the patient's note inside of the electronic healthcare record system or the practice management system. Once I get to my actual EHR, so in here, I'm in SimplePractice, and I have a blank note up here, as you can see, with multiple fields, check boxes, and drop downs. When you open the extension on the page, the AI is actually going to start filling it out immediately and highlight all of the fields. When you're ready to generate, you'll click this generation button. It's going to read all of the fields, take the transcript that was generated from the session you did previously to push the data right into the fields itself. Once it has selected the fields and filled them out, it's going to give you this preview screen here where you can review, you can make sure all the drop downs are properly selected, you can look at the text that was pushed into the actual system itself. So you can look at this and determine if this is what you want inside of the actual boxes. Now, you can edit directly in here like so, or you can edit with AI by talking to the actual AI scribe here. You can tell it by clicking this button what you want changed in here by just naming the actual section that you want it changed in. Once you're satisfied with the output here, you can click the Save and Import option, and it'll push the data directly into SimplePractice, as you can see here. Once it's in here and you're satisfied, you can save your note. That's how you use the Clinical Notes AI extension.